Welcome back to another FatherChukwu the Barber haircut tutorial filmed by Film God. What's it called? It's gonna be a medium high taper, so it's not gonna be no corners to shape up. Combed out the hair and I'm taking it down. As you see with the takedown, I'm going with the waves, with the grain, not against the grain, because I don't think it really matters for his case. See how I just combed his hair out. Yeah, I'm taking it this low because his haircut gotta last, unfortunately. He's not looking for a real thick wave pattern. He just needs the haircut. With the first guideline, I'm using the clippers and not the trimmers because these basically are balders when they're at the zero. So when they're at close. Open, what's that joint called? Open, no guard. I don't know why I kept me fading the back of the neck in that video. He's trying to look at the camera to see if he's lagging, but he's not. I just went ahead and did the 1.5 on the top to blend in the top line because the one guard open in the middle it wasn't really that effective. It wasn't really that needed because of how much hair you already had. So I just skipped to that, and then now I'm using the zero close. The zero close is very important. But if you have to look at his hairline though. You see how weak his hair is? And then look at his hair and you have to see how weak his hair actually is. Now this is the one guard close, knocking out that middle line out of the second guideline. But you have to understand that waves will destroy your hair all under. His pores aren't opening the same and hair is not growing in certain places, as you see from the wave pattern itself. Just because the wave is the hair is wavy don't mean that it's in a good place. Knocking out the bottom line with the up and down on the open and close scale with the clippers, no guard, just so I can knock out the bottom line and blend everything in together. Client wears a lot of do-rags, so it will weaken his hair. It always does weaken your hair because you're cutting off circulation to the top. Blood flow ain't really going right. That's why you lose hair. That's why your hairline gets weak. His diet, I don't know what his diet is looking like because he's weakening up the top. You can only fix that with a changed diet. Don't let nobody else tell you any otherwise. It is products, the constant washing your hair, just making your hair dry and brittle, it's closing out your pores, and that's why your hair is not growing the same as anywhere else. But he does have coarse hair. So he has these weak corners. So I have to take my time and not really push up on the corners, right? Because I don't really believe in pushback. I've stated that law because I don't use enhancements. Enhancements are dangerous to the skin, dangerous to the hair, and dangerous to the brain, all at the same time. It not only creates a false look of identity, but it actually does have the chemicals in the actual fibers itself. It's not actual like human hair fibers. It's metals that they mixture up and conjure so that you can look like you have a full hairline. Don't believe the hype. I had to go ahead and speed through the process. As you see, I kept it clean cut. I didn't add no enhancements. I didn't take it to the farthest line, the farthest thickest line, and gave him a half moon hairline. I had to give him a straight box because that's what his head is shaped like. I went ahead and shaped the facial hair. Facial hair is cool, quite easy. My client takes care of his hair with his products, but the way his hair grows is only because of current health conditions, whatever those may be, because of the food that he consumes. You can tell by the beard and how it's patchy in the middle that he has digestive problems because he eats probably too much sugar or too much red meat, too much bread, anything that really clogs the digestive system up, makes it hard to digest food. That can cause that. You can see inflammation and breakout in those areas if you do actually pay attention, and his hair is not going to grow full and brittle there until he makes that change in his own lifestyle. Taking down the hairline one more time so everything can be evened out. No, I do take my client's hair this low because of the fact his hair does not grow evenly, and I have to make sure everything else. And I will not use enhancements. The light is only beaming on his head. That's why his hair looks like that right now. But take it off the light and it looks different. This is the haircut. I am one of the best out here. You can't tell me otherwise. I take it natural. I'm not really a barber for looks. I'm a barber for health. Unfortunately, I'm also a barber for looks, so my haircuts will look nice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to me. You'll find more videos on my YouTube and Instagram, sometimes TikTok.